Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your hardware and software so the settings you change will work. Plug in a quality headset or pair active noise AirPods. This gives immediate physical reduction of background sound. Then go to Settings, Accessibility, Audio/Visual, and enable phone noise cancellation. This filters steady, low-frequency noise. Once done, make a quick test call in the same environment to hear the difference. This verifies the phone processes your voice with the new filter before proceeding to in-call adjustments. Now focus on in-call controls and positioning to refine cancellation. If you use AirPods Pro, switch between noise control and transparency on the fly because adaptive ANC helps with intermittent noise. Meanwhile, FaceTime and some apps offer voice isolation. Tap the mic icon to prioritize your voice. Make sure other apps producing audio are closed to lower internal interference, and position the mic 6 to 12 inches from your mouth to improve SNR. This reduces background pickup, and to finish, restart the call, and if needed, the iPhone so audio processing restarts with your new settings. If background noise still bleeds through, swap to a wired headset or another Bluetooth device to determine whether hardware or software is at fault. Make sure iOS is up to date. If features are missing or unstable, update or reset network settings as a last resort because corrupted profiles can block in-call audio options. One tip: test in a quiet room to separate environmental issues from device problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.